Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all the videos, and only if you're liking it, then hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And so today I'm going to talk about the live trading which we did. So you can search with Smart Trader and go to the channel over here. So once you go into the channel, go to the videos section. So you can see the videos which are being posted continuously from Smart Trader. So if you see, we have posted live trading continuously every day as a daily vlog from wherever I am from the mobile phone. I was just recording these. So let's calculate from here the amount of profits which we have just posted continuously around from here. So if I calculate 5,500 plus 3147 plus, then how much do we have here? 4280 plus 5926 plus 2350 plus 3499 plus 3410 plus oh my god, plus is done, right? 4043 plus 3601 plus 3267 plus 9098 plus 3330. Oh, I just put 333, right? So let me put 3000 plus 3000. Excuse me, 51,454. So almost as you guys know, my capital is 50,000 as I've shown in my video, and the same single account from the day one I'm showing you guys the same Paul account. So 51,000 profit from 50,000 capital. So almost 100% capital within almost 12 trading session, 100% profit, right? So you guys saw that how I made this 51,000 rupees in 12 trading sessions out of 50,000 capital. So 50,000 capital, I made 51,000. I'm not saying 51,000 profit. So it's 1 lakh rupees for me. Okay, so my value is 1 lakh rupees. So how did I do this? It's not a magic. I'm also a human like you guys. I just turned 26 years old this July 5th, as you guys wished me. Thanks a lot. So how did I do this in a very short span of time? Only secret is hard work. Yes, my channel name is Smart Trader. We need to do trading smartly, but before doing trading smartly, you need to do a lot of hard work to become a smart trader. So you need to invest a lot of time in learning the stock market. So you put lakhs, you put 1,000 lakhs or crores of money, you keep losing. You'll keep losing 100%, 100%, 100%. You will be questioning, saying that stock market is, I'm not lucky in stock market. This is not for me. Stock market is for everyone, only for the ones who invest their time, dedication, and their passion. So invest the time rather than putting the money and saying, oh, today Smart Trader showed me this video, I will copy the same, I will try to do the same. Either you may get profit or you make loss. Can you make consistent profit is a question. So those type of questions, only answer is spend some time, watch the market, learn from each and everybody of us. Learn from Smart Trader channel, learn from many other channels which are there. Don't have ego saying that I won't learn from him, I won't learn from Small Trader, he's waste. See the best out of each and everyone and learn. That is the only secret to learn faster than anybody. Leave the ego, everything. Respect every human being. Teach many people, simultaneously learn from them. I also teach you guys simultaneously. I learn a lot from my subscribers, and what I do is I take their suggestions. They have something positive, I take and I tweak it and I make it in a better way. So that is how you have to develop yourself, because in trading your brain has to run more and more. If your brain works really good, that is when you can have proper discipline, proper idea, proper knowledge, and that is when you can act smart. So start spending your time looking at the market. That's the only one idea what I'm trying to tell, and all the videos posted here are just for learning itself. So nothing is recommended so that you should go and trade. There is a high risk, there is a low risk. I'm taking my own risk. There's a lot of risk involved in this. Because of my knowledge and my experience, I'm doing the trading, if you see. And there are days when there will be bad days, when I do mistake, there is a bad days, market goes wrong, there's a bad news, automatically it'll go against me. I make a loss. Definitely I'll make a loss. That time I again recover the next day, and I get back my capital of 50,000. So these are things which you don't know still. So you need to still wait and watch what are the different days, different situations. Don't directly jump into the market without any knowledge. So practice, do paper trading, do virtual trading, and then don't invest your money. Instead of wasting this money, invest somewhere and go to some schools or colleges of trading or from different mentors. Learn from the tradings, their idea, their strategies, so that your knowledge goes above and above. Tomorrow when you see market, okay, as per this strategy, now this stock is going to go up. As per this strategy, the stock is going to go against me. I have to exit. You get a lot of thoughts because of lot of ideas. The more ideas you have, the more more you can sense more of market. So that is the only tip I would like to tell you guys by watching this live trading. So be safe, don't blindly invest money, and thank you so much for your support. You guys are liking this video, and my graphs are going like this, and we know that our channel is the only English channel which is growing so fast. If you see, all our Hindi channels are doing a great job. In India we have a lot of Hindi crowd, but in English we don't have much channels to support them. So I'm supporting the English channel. So thank you so much for your support. And as you know, as I told you earlier, my Hindi is also not that great, so I don't want to go in a place where my teaching skills are not that better. English is more comfortable for me. And hope you guys are liking this live trading videos. And also I'm planning to post these question answer videos, because so many questions you'll ask in comments, and seriously I won't even have time to check those comments. So what I thought, I'll take part by part questions. Whichever good questions you have put, only those part by part questions I will take, and I will post it in my video, and I will answer those slowly by slowly as a series, like how live trading I post question also I can post, so that you can watch question answers. Your answers will be resolved. Same way you can see live trading, our videos will go. Same way like this, we'll have some trade talks, and also in between we'll have some strategy videos, we'll have some learning videos. So we'll have a lot of videos. So keep watching this channel, and don't forget the one thing which I told you is spend some time. Don't invest money, and looking at this live trading videos, don't invest money. Spend some time without anybody's support. Do not do anything. At least learn from someone. Only when you're confident, invest in the market, or else please do not invest. Kindly learn. Okay, that is what I'm trying to tell you. And very soon I will be explaining about all the services provided by my special team. I have a back-end team, I have traders working for me, so I'll be explaining you guys, because most of you guys have asked more about it. So definitely I'll make a video for you guys to understand what are those extra things. And also apart from that, I will explain whatever questions you have asked me all about, how I came through this journey of smart trader, how I did and how I learned trading. All this will be answered in the question answers and other videos. So please stay tuned, please keep supporting like this. And if you have any other suggestion, like what time I should upload a video, or if there is something which I have to change, like for example, if you want me to change the logo of smart trader, if there is any experts over there, please suggest a nice design. Let's work upon it. So kindly give your suggestions. As you know, anything positive, I'm always open. I'm not open to negative, I'm only open to positive. So kindly send out your suggestions, ideas or questions on what I should make video. I'll take slowly by slowly, I'll try to do with these videos. For now, I hope by seeing all the responses and the likes, I see that you guys are happy with the live trading. Thank you so much, and I'm happy with that. Same way, we'll be opening new series, so that let's flood whole of YouTube with our videos, and keep supporting me. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.